Neville Goddard's At Your Command 1939 Unveiled. Intro. What if I told you there's a book from the 1930s that contains powerful manifestation secrets that are still relevant today? In this video, I'll be unveiling the key lessons from Neville Goddard's transformational book At Your Command. Published in 1939, this metaphysical classic reveals how to shape your reality using the power of imagination and consciousness. It provided techniques decades before The Secret brought conscious creation into the mainstream. Neville Goddard was a pioneering spiritual teacher who lectured extensively on manifesting desires. His wisdom and insights on the connection between mind, imagination, and manifestation are truly ahead of their time. In At Your Command, Neville provides the missing piece that makes conscious creation work: your assumptions and inner states. He guides us in techniques to shift into desired versions of ourselves, like visualizing and living from the end result. If you want to attract wealth, manifest goals, and elevate your life to the next level, Neville Goddard provides the keys. Now let's unlock them. Who is Neville Goddard? Hey friend, are you looking to manifest your dreams but not sure where to start? Well, buckle up because I've got an amazing book to share with you today that will blow your mind. It's called At Your Command by Neville Goddard. Published way back in 1939, this book contains profound secrets on how to use the power of imagination and consciousness to create your reality. Neville was truly ahead of his time, foreshadowing teachings like the law of attraction decades before The Secret made it mainstream. Now, you may be wondering, who exactly is this Neville Goddard guy? Well, he was a spiritual teacher and lecturer who studied metaphysics and the subconscious mind. Born in 1905 on the island of Barbados, Neville eventually made his way to New York City, where he started sharing his wisdom on manifestation. Core premise of At Your Command. And let me tell you, his stuff is deep. He draws from his mystical interpretations of the Bible as well as his own direct revelations to uncover how our thoughts and assumptions shape our lives. The core premise of At Your Command is that our awareness and concept of self is what determines what shows up in our world. As Neville famously said, man is that which he is aware of being. So if we want to change our outer reality, we must first change our inner state. For example, if you see yourself as lacking money, you'll continue to experience financial struggles. But if you shift your awareness to I am wealthy and abundant, then the universe will mirror back riches and prosperity to match your new assumption. Pretty cool, right? Neville's manifestation techniques. Neville reveals priceless techniques on how to shift into desired states, like visualizing and giving thanks in advance for what you want as if you already have it. He says we must assume the feeling tone of being what we wish to embody until it hardens into fact. Another key point Neville makes is the importance of dropping our limiting beliefs and judgments, especially condemnation of others. As he says, there is therefore now no condemnation to them which are in Christ Jesus. When we forgive and free others, we also free ourselves to rise to higher states of being. Mystical fishing and imagination. My favourite chapter is when Neville describes the mystical art of fishing in the waters of imagination. Just like the disciples who toiled fruitlessly all night until Jesus came along, we must move from struggling in the shallows of conscious effort to launching out into deeper waters of imagination and feeling. There, in the depths of pure being, we can catch the fish of manifestation easily by becoming one with our desires. We ignore the outer problem and go within to assume and feel the wish fulfilled. This is where miracles spring forth. Soaking up Neville's wisdom, the riches in this book truly require multiple readings to absorb. I learn something new every time I crack it open. Neville packs so much revelatory wisdom into a concise manual you can apply right away. In fact, I'd love to hear your biggest takeaways and aha moments if you decide to read At Your Command. Drop me a comment below to start a discussion and share what resonates most. Bonus, get the full audiobook free. Want to soak up all of Neville's game-changing wisdom even faster? You can get the full audiobook version of At Your Command for free by going to description. Just subscribe Audiobook's Hub YouTube channel. This lets you listen on the go and really absorb the teachings deeply through repeated listening. Implementing Neville's teachings. And if you found this breakdown valuable, do smash the like button to support the channel. Be sure to subscribe for more Neville book summaries coming your way. I guarantee his teachings will profoundly impact How you approach manifesting your desires, Neville provides the missing piece that makes conscious creation work. Our assumptions and mental states are the seeds, imagination is the soil. With dedication and practice, you'll harvest abundance beyond your wildest dreams. So dive in and soak up Neville's game-changing wisdom. Allow it to open your mind and elevate your consciousness. The next level of your life is waiting. Go claim it. I'll catch you in the next video, my friend.